So today I will be teaching how to dockerize your Python web application. So this is my Python web application. I have made a Docker file here and I have written Docker code you can see here. So after writing Docker code, you have to do one thing. You have to click on Docker file and you have to click on build image. So once you click here, you can press enter and now you have to wait for a while. Actually, I have used Hugging Face embedding here. That's why it's taking very long time. So I have made a chatbot and I have implemented RG in that chatbot as well. And I have used Hugging Face. And because of that, it is taking very long time. So you can see 860, maybe it will go up to 2 GB or 1 GB. Maybe I do not have idea how much it will go. So maybe it will take few more minutes. It is downloading requirement.txt package. It will take some time here as well, but not that much time. Actually, Hugging Face package is taking very long time because the size of that package is more than 1 GB, so that is taking very long time in my opinion here. I should not have used Hugging Face embedding. I should have used any other embedding model which is free and open source and which is not that big. And this model is very big, by the way. There's only open source model which is free, but I do not know like whether it is free for ever, like it's free only for a specific period of time. For example, there is one model called Firework. I was using same model, but it is only free for a specific period of time, and after that you have to pay. But we can use Hugging Face for embedding, and we can use another model. Let me show you. We can use this model. This is a very famous model, and this is open source a large language model. We can use this model as well to make AI, I mean, Gen AI chatbot, to make any kind of Gen AI application. We can use this model, and this model is very good and it gives very good answer compared to other open source model. I have used many open source model, but this model is very good. This model gives answer in organized manner. This requirement.txt has been installed. We have to wait for other few minutes. Let's wait. It took 5 seconds. Now exporting image is being done. Exporting layer. It's going to take very long time, so we can wait for a minute. That will take only 1 to 2 minutes to complete the process, and our image will be built. And then I can check our image in Docker desktop, and then I have to push that image to Docker Hub as well, which will take very long time. That is also a very important process to push Docker image to Docker Hub. Yeah, if you push your image to Docker Hub, you can deploy it and you can deploy it in public server as well. There's a benefit. Okay, now everything has been done. I have to check here now. I have to check the image whether everything is fine. So firstly, I will run the image. This is the, okay, as I can see, okay, this is very big, 8.95 GB is the size. This is very big. The size is not 8.95 GB, size is more than 8.95 GB. It's 12 GB. That's built. I cannot find any error, but I cannot even find that option. I cannot even find that option as well with new code. These are not error, these are something else. It's just taking a very long time. Okay, it will take some. Okay, I got option. Let's stop this. I'll run it in 5000 port. This is no, yeah, this is better. Let's see how much time it will take. It will take some time here as well. It will take some longer time to make the container, so I'm containerizing our image, which is going to take further more time. And then I will try to deploy it in my next video. I will try to deploy this in public server. Let's see how much time it will take. It is taking a very long time in deployment. I mean, in containerization, it is taking very long time. This is very bad. Only because of sentence transformer embedding, it is taking very long time because this package is very big and this package is very slow. It's not like those advanced packages of large language model. This is open source, this is free, and this is very slow as well. OpenAI embedding, if you have subscription of OpenAI, it will be very fast, but if you not have subscription of OpenAI and you're making any RAG application, it take very long time to containerize and dockerize. Okay, now everything is fine. Now let me check container. So new container. So this is the container. Everything is perfect now. It has been containerized